Day 2 begins with a cloudy sky, the second round of qualifications. New groups have been formed. Let's start with the men's. E and F decide who shall enter the semi-finals, which take place tomorrow. Leading these two groups are Italy in Group E and one of the favourites, Germany, who leads Group F, both with 3 points. For now, in the ladies group, leading in Group C is Great Britain, while still on top continues Germany with 3 points in the new Group D. The groups enter a new phase tomorrow. Semi-finals are awaited. What it concerns to the juniors, the under-21 men, a second round took place today, which has already defined who shall compete in the semi-finals. Spain shall compete against Italy, while the German young guns play against Switzerland. Day 3 promises to bring new excitement to all competitions. In the girls group, Great Britain, France and Germany are the 3 teams who have qualified for the semi-finals. In open remains a battle between Spain and Italy to be the 4th team of the semi-final. 18 countries, 50 teams, 500 athletes and a total of 188 matches make up this canoe polo family. All are reunited in Coimbra, a central city of Portugal. Another full day in games tomorrow. Just stay tuned and enjoy the best of canoe polo family in this 2019 European Championship.